continuation of part, the preparation of the acids. Here we are discussing the from derivatives of acid. This is from acid halide, from acid halide. So that is the preparation of acid. The carboxylic acid is prepared from maybe prepared from acid halide. If we are having the starting reaction, what is RC double bond OH. General reaction is that when RC double bond OH is on acid halide, this acid halide is treated with what? Which is a hydrolysis in acidic condition. Hydrolysis in acidic condition, whatever, their formation of what? RC double bond OH, their generation of the preparation of acid, or you can say this is a carboxylic acid. Simple hydrolysis in acidic condition starting from the acid halide. This acid halide it may be what? We can take this CH3Cl, the starting reactor molecule or CH3COCl. It may be take this CH3C double bond OBr. So that is our acetyl chloride, acetyl bromide, acetyl iodide. So whatever, simply hydrolysis in acidic condition. Simply what? Hydrolysis in acidic condition of acid chloride or acid bromide as well as acid bromide as well as acid iodide. This first reaction is what? Action of hydrolysis or action of water molecule on acetyl chloride, water molecule on what? Acetyl bromide, formation of what? This CH3COCl is converted into CH3COOH, acetic acid, again here formation of what? Acetic acid. So this is starting reaction from acetyl chloride, acetyl bromide to the acetic acid, to the what? Acetic acid starting from acid halide. This is formation of what? Acetic acid by hydrolysis, simple in acidic condition starting from acid halide. If we are having the starting reaction is aromatic halide, can this what? A benzene nucleus is there, it is C double bond OCX is there. So that is nothing but can say this is a benzoyl halide. This is starting reactant molecule is a benzoyl halide, which is an acidic hydrolysis, in acidic condition, then formation of what? AOX group is becomes to what? OH is nothing but what? Formation of what? Benzoic acid. There is a generation of the preparation of benzoic acid starting from benzoyl halide. This one of the preparation methods of aromatic acid starting from benzoyl halide. Instead of hydrogen, you can take this is the chlorine atom. So that is the name is what? Benzoyl chloride. This benzoyl chloride, which is an acidic hydrolysis formation of benzoic acid. The second one reaction is that you can take this is the bromine atom. This is the benzoyl bromide. In the benzoyl bromide, this is again what? Acidic hydrolysis formation of benzoic acid. Again, this is one of the preparation methods of aromatic acid starting from acid halide. Then next preparation methods again acid or carboxylic acid. Second from you can take this is what? Amide. This amide is also again what? Derivatives of acid. If our starting reactant molecule is amide or C double bond ONS2, this is again what? The hydrolysis in acidic condition. You can say simply hydrolysis in a acidic condition. So whatever, this is you can write this is H3O positive or H2OH plus. H3O positive or H2H plus. Again what happen? Formation of C double bond OH. Here the generation of acid or carboxylic acid starting from amide. So this is the starting reaction from amide. This is the general reaction. Hydrolysis in acidic condition of amide, formation of the carboxylic acid. Instead of R, if we are having this is the CH3, the name of the starting reactant molecule is what? A CH3CONS2, it is nothing but what? Acetamide. This acetamide, which is an hydrolysis in acidic condition, formation of what? Acetic acid. Formation of what? Acetic acid. If we are having the starting reactant molecule, not only aliphatic but also this is the cyclic compound as well as aromatic compound. This is nothing but what? Simply the types of the compound is what? This is the benzamide. The starting molecule is what? Benzamide, which is a hydrolysis in acidic condition. Again formation of what? This acid. It is nothing but aromatic acid. You can say this AR acid. The particular name of the compound is nothing but what? Benzoic acid. The formation of the benzoic acid again starting from the benzamide. The starting reactant molecule is a benzamide having the condition this is the neutral this is the nature is the neutral medium like to the acetophenol. if you are on the starting reactant molecule, it's not this is a simple cyclic compound, which is cyclohexanamide. The name of the compound is nothing but cyclohexanamide. This cyclohexanamide is reacted or treated with acidic hydrolysis, again formation of what? cyclohexane carboxylic acid. So these are the second preparation methods. From here the derivatives of acid, this is from amide. Once again on the next preparation method, from this one third preparation methods of this one from acetic, okay, this acetic anhydride, or we can say simply acid anhydride. So here हम यहाँ पे ऐसे लिख सकते हैं from acid anhydride, or we can say only anhydride. We know this anhydride is again what are derivatives of acid. So starting reactant molecules of the reaction is that general reaction we can write what R C double bond O C double bond O R. So this is what acid anhydride. Again what acidic hydrolysis. We can write this is the hydrolysis in acidic condition of acid anhydride. This is the acid anhydride. Hydrolysis takes place here OH and this one is the OH. There is formation of 2 moles of R C double bond O OH. There is a generation of the preparation of this acid. Types of this is nothing but carboxylic acid starting from anhydride. Simple. Instead of R, you can take this is the CS3 group. This CS3 C double bond O CS3. This name of the compound is nothing but what? Acetic anhydride. This acetic anhydride. So this is what a reactant molecule. It is most useful for the preparation of this what the drugs containing this is the, for example, heroin, morphine, these types of the drugs molecules. Which is but this as according to the part of this is the chemist. This is the it is the ban of these types of the chemicals because of what it produces the drugs molecules. Okay, so here we will prepare the formation. We have been prepared the formation. This is the types of the acid. We have been prepared carboxylic acid starting from the anhydride. This acidic hydrolysis formation of the carboxylic acid. If you have to take the CS3, the name of the compound is nothing but what? This is the acetic anhydride. So this acetic anhydride to the acid. This is nothing but what? Acetic acid. Starting molecule is what? Acetic anhydride to the acetic acid. There is a 2 moles of acetic acid is prepared starting from what? Acetic anhydride. Instead of CS3, you can take this aromatic nucleic acid also. PH. It is nothing but what? PH. I can say instead of PH, or I can write this AR. यहाँ पे हम AR भी लिख सकते हैं, PH भी लिख सकते हैं. So that is nothing but what? Aromatic acid. This is what benzene. This is the benzene anhydride. You can say this is aromatic anhydride. It is converted into what? Again aromatic acid. The types of the product is formed. This is nothing but what? 2 moles of benzoic acid. There is generation of 2 moles of the benzoic acid, which is acidic hydrolysis. Benzoic acid. Acidic hydrolysis of these types of the starting reactant molecule are aromatic anhydride to the aromatic acid. So that is what a benzoic acid. The most important is what 2 moles. यहाँ पे 2 moles मिलेंगे. So this is what we have been prepared the part of the synthesis. We have been synthesized or the prepared acid starting from first acid halide. Here in today's lecture we have been learned this one acid halide. The second part is from this one amide. Next one is from third one is what anhydride. This is the 3 molecules or 3 compounds, the acid halide, amide as well as the anhydride. These 3 molecules or 3 compounds are the derivatives of acid, and we have been prepared here a carboxylic acid starting from acid halide, amide and anhydride. So here these preparation methods have been done. This is not only aliphatic acid but also aromatic acid. यहाँ पे हमने 3 स्टार्टिंग रिएक्टेंट से एसिड को फॉर्म किया. रिएक्शन कंडीशन देखा जाए तो सेम है. एसिडिक हाइड्रोलिसिस, स्टार्टिंग मॉलिक्यूल एसिड हैलाइड, अमाइड एंड अनहाइड्राइड.